I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want.
And then I showed you guys like a screen recording of my phone, so you guys can see like the little options that I picked and the little timer.
That's all I want.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really exciting. I kind of thought of it a few nights ago. So basically I'm going to try to recreate Pinterest photos that I've pinned on my board. Pinterest has been a really fun place for me to like organize my thoughts and get inspired. So it's been super fun. I've put some home stuff, a lot of outfits, beauty, inspo. So I'll link my Pinterest down below if you guys are interested. I'd love to check out your guys's as well. So comment them down below if you would like to share them with me. So yeah, today's video is super fun. It's going to be like spring outfits that I found on Pinterest. There are some variations with like what I picked and images that I found. I do want to thank Boohoo for partnering with me and sponsoring this video. Boohoo is a really good place for you guys to try out trends. That's exactly what I did in this video. I had so much fun like styling these outfits and getting inspired from Pinterest. So if you guys are interested in any of the items that are shown in this video, I will link everything down below along with like the size, color, and any details I want to add along with my dimensions. So yeah, definitely check out the description box down below. There's a lot of info in there. So the first version, I'll pop the image up here so you guys can follow along. A specific category of that is like the wellness, like gym logo stuff. Anything that says like wellness or gym or health, I just think it's like an aesthetic. Yeah, a really nice aesthetic. So I think the first thing with that athleisure in mind, got this really cute health club bag. I kind of want to use it for the gym because it's like ginormous. I literally put all the items in here like crazy, so it's really cute. I love that the strings are extra long and it just really went with the aesthetic. So the first picture, it's like the wellness gym logo. So I found this one. So I got it in this green color. It's super cute. I got it in a size large because I wanted it like really oversized. And then I paired it with some biker shorts. These are super cute and comfy. And that's essentially the look. It is with some accessories. So I just wore some of the accessories that I love. And I'll try to link my accessories as well. So I accessorize. I have my little love bracelet here. Super cute. So I really liked how the image turned out. It's like a mirror selfie. I love those. I tried to do like a similar pose to her, but I also like freestyled it a little. So I put some final pictures that I like. I think a lot of this is going to go like on my feed. So I'm really excited about that. It's so cute. And yeah, I really like this green color. So this was the first look. Okay, so the second Pinterest photo is also super cute. It's like an athleisure, a little bit more tomboy-y. So I already ordered similar shorts to the one that the girl has. Hers are also gray, and I picked some like other color. So again, I picked green. I've just really been into green for spring. So yeah, it's super cute. And then I also got it in a dark gray color, so it's not the exact heather gray that she has. I think hers is like Nike, but this is a really nice gray. Sorry about the background, it's just like the natural sunlight, so sometimes it'll get blown out. So it's like Pantone, like the color company, and I love this. It's like such an aesthetic. So I picked out two colors and I got it in a size US 8, so I'm typically like a 4 to 6. I wanted it to be really oversized because I love that look, and I think it's really cute for athleisure. I think I might even wear this to the actual gym because like they're really loose and I could get like a lot of breeze going in here. And I also got a loose white tee, and again it has like health club on it. I ordered all of these before I found the images, but this image actually really matches all the stuff I picked out. So this is from Boohoo Man, and I got it in a size medium. Again, I wanted it oversized, and I also wanted the option to wear it like as a t-shirt dress, or maybe even just put like biker shorts under. And then I already have some like mid-calf crew socks. These are from Cat and Jack from Target. I'll try to find the link. But yeah, these are super cute and they match the aesthetic. I didn't bring white sneakers, but aside from that, it's super cute and I loved it a lot. And I'll show you guys me trying to figure out how to style it now. And the hair she has like clipped. Don't mind it, it's not meant to stay. Yeah. something like that. It's super cute. I like it a lot. I think this color is also really cute, but the green color is really nice for spring. Of course, I'm really glad that I got both. Okay, so yeah, it was a lot of like referencing the photo, but I think I figured it out. This one was also a mirror selfie, so it was a little bit easier. I tried to recreate her pose as well. So yeah, with all of that in mind, I'll show you guys like the final images that I picked out that I think are similar to the way the girl is doing it in the Pinterest photo. So yeah, this was super cute. I think this one is like the most exact, although there are some variations. Again, I wasn't trying to make it like identical. I just wanted like the general vibe and inspo. Super cute because I already picked these items out and I just wanted to show you guys how I styled them. So that's the second image. So the third image, I found the dress that almost looks exactly like it. So it's this dress. It has a button like going off to the side. I also show you guys how I try to figure out how to style it the same as the girl. So this is super cute. It fits on me really nicely, and I'll tell you guys the size. The size is a US 6. It looks almost the same as the image, and then I'll just show you guys me trying to style it now. Okay, so this is the next dress. I found like a really similar Pinterest photo, so I'll just like try to recreate her pose. I don't have a similar purse to her, but I thought this was really cute and it went with the vibe, so I'm just going to use my little vintage Dior saddle and then this really cute collared dress. Oh, and I want to pair it with like these really cute flip-flops. They're like a little bit heeled and they have this like puffy strap here, so super cute. They're from Boohoo. And yeah, my toes aren't painted, so forgive me if you guys notice. But yeah, it will just look like this. Yeah, so cute. Can you see the shoes though? I was trying to show you guys the shoes in the photo. But yeah, so cute. I feel like it's such a vibe. Yay. Okay. So I'm using a tripod with a ring light and my iPhone to take this photo because the inspo photo looks like someone's taking it for her. As you can see the framing. The app that I'm using today is Lens Buddy, so I wanted to show you guys me using it as well. So these are the settings that I picked. I have it on a timer, which do a timer over here, so my timer delay is 5 seconds, and then I'm doing 120 photos delayed with 0.5 seconds. So I'm just gonna click it and then start. So this is what it will look like. Okay, you guys can see my styling. So now I want to show you guys the pictures that I think are similar. So because these aren't mirror photos, they were a little bit harder for me to figure out. I did want to try to recreate like the same pose. So I put my phone on the tripod. And then I used the app called Lens Buddy. And then I showed you guys like a screen recording of my phone. So you guys can see like the little options that I picked and a little timer. And then I tried to recreate like her little poses and stuff. And again, I did a little freestyle myself. So I want to show you guys like me attempting to do the same pose as the girl. So yeah, this one was super fun. So the next one is like a set that is also a collared shirt. The most similar image I could find was like a dress, and now I'm like, need to find that dress because it's so dang cute. But I thought it was similar enough to do this, and the pose looks really, really hard, and I can tell you it was hella hard, and I think this one is like my worst pose. I mean, even though I'm actually operating the phone, oh my god, it was hard. So this is what it looks like. It's like a ribbed top, and then it comes with a bottom, so it's a set. We love sets because you get 2 items in one. So this is also a US 6, and I'll show you guys me putting it on and trying to shoot it because this one was really, really hard. And yeah. So this is the next set. So the inspo was like a dress with a collar that's short sleeved. That's white. But I found this set and I feel like the set is just as cute. Also a little bit more comfortable because it's short. So I'm going to take it the same style and I'm sure it's going to come out super cute. So yeah, this is the set. So me in post-editing phase will show you now. But I did my best. So here it is. Hopefully we see some similarities. I really like the vibe of it. This was definitely out of my comfort zone, but I did get inspired. I really liked the way she posed it and showed the clothing. So that was a lot of fun. I don't think I ever would have figured out how to do it on my own. I kind of held, if I can do this right, because I'm using my phone as a mic right now, but this is the mic, so I'm just gonna hold it here. But I kind of held it over my body like this way rather than like this way, because usually I take my pictures like this way, but I might start doing it like this because it's a little easier. I hope that was okay, like sound wise. Sorry, I had to pick it up to show you guys like with the phone. Super cute. Let me know if you guys try it. I feel like I learned a few tips here, like figuring things out, so that one was a lot of fun as well. And then lastly is with this dress. It's a long sleeve collared dress, so much fun. I found a really similar Pinterest photo as well, so let me pull it up for reference. So yeah, super cute. On the girl, hers is a little looser, mine's a little more fitted. I wanted mine to be a little bit more fitted, so there's that. I grabbed a few of my accessories to show you guys, and I just wanted to show you guys the dad shoes. They're like quilted and super cute. So these are in a size 5/38. That's what it says on the sticker. They are a little bit big on me, so I had to pull the strap in a lot. Typically, I'm a size 7 on Boohoo. So yeah, these are, I guess, a size 38. But yeah, I'm usually like a 6.5 across the board for like Nike and UGG. So on Boohoo, it's only full sizes, so I just get a 7. But I think because it was low in stock, I really wanted to try these out. So these are a size 8, so kind of crazy, but I think they still fit, and for like photo purposes, super duper cute, and it definitely, I think, really makes the outfit, and it's so cute. I used Lens Buddy again just because in the image the girl's like just standing there looking so beautiful. But for this time I was using the back camera of my iPhone just to fit my shoes in because I wanted to show off my shoes. I know they're different from the ones that she has, but I just really wanted to style it. So yeah, I just literally tried to stand there and look as cute as she did. I don't think I did that good of a job because like that's not really a pose that I know how to do, but I'll show you guys the image that like I think most closely matches my inspo. So here it is. I know I didn't have sunglasses, but I think it's like relatively similar enough. So yeah, that was so much fun. That was me recreating Pinterest images, specifically spring outfits, because I'm super excited for the warm weather. The sun is shining today and I'm in such a great mood. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got inspired, or at least got some ideas for outfits or tips for taking photos and stuff like that. If you guys like this video, I would love if you could give it a like. If you guys want to see more from me, please consider subscribing. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
I could call you. Sorry, my service bad. My bad. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm